ഇങ്ങനത്തെ പുല്ല്. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This was a random vlog. I had no idea what particular topic or recipe to shoot. So took out my camera and started vlogging just like that. I had my appointment for vaccination around at 10 in the morning. As it's risky to take kids along, we asked if parents, that's my in-laws, if they could come and stay with us. So they, along with my brother-in-law and family, had come over to our house. Many of you had been asking me about the food processor I have. I had already shown a couple of times in some vlogs on this. This is Philips brand that I have. This is a blade used for slicing. There are a few other blades too, which I use rarely. I mainly use my food processor for slicing onion in large amount. Just pass the onion. Here I have cut in half so that it can be passed easily. Switch on and press. You get very thinly sliced onion in a minute. And that's chopping being done using the chopping blade. I had done few preparations the previous day. As I said, I have appointment at 10 in the morning and it's half an hour travel from our home. So by around 8:30, my husband would be leaving to pick my in-laws. It might get difficult for my mother-in-law to handle everything alone when I leave. They would be anyway coming after having breakfast from home. So I thought I'll prepare biryani in the morning, try to finish it as much as possible before leaving. So to make it fast, I did all the slicing and chopping the previous night because that is the most time-consuming work. And I know I have my morning routine which I can't skip, that includes walking and jogging. So I prepared breakfast before moving to that. I prepared a quick masala upma. I normally prepare a simple upma, but today just added some extra spice powders and chopped tomato. My garam masala powder had finished, so for biryani I would definitely need it. Prepare that in between. All the ingredients for the upma and the garam masala is provided in the description box. If you have any doubt regarding it, you can ask me through comments. If at all, because of time constraints, I am unable to reply you, please email me regarding this. I'm happy to answer you. For upma, I normally roast rava. This time I had ready-made roasted rava in hand, hence use that. After having breakfast, I quickly started to prepare the biryani. It was in large amount as I prepared it for lunch and dinner together. I already have done few biryani recipes. I shall provide link for all those in the description box. I had to use the largest pots I have with me. Now many of you keep asking me about these stainless steel vessels I use for preparing any curry or biryani. I don't use non-stick vessels for these. The brands I have are Kokmas and Yas. If I find a link for those, I shall provide below, or else I shall give links for similar products. Do check them out. As these are thick bottomed, they don't burn easily. I prepared ghee rice in one pot and the biryani masala in another. This is chicken biryani. I wanted to finish off before my in-laws come, or at least before leaving. But in between I had other works like waking up kids for their online classes, cleaning parents' room before they come and such. With the biryani, all I had left to do was to wait for the ghee rice to get cooked and then I had to put it on dum. So asked mom to do the rest. We were actually getting late to go to the hospital, so quickly got ready. Now some of you had been asking me about this watch brand. This is Puma brand. I guess it was bought 3 or 4 years back, not sure. And off we go for vaccination. After a very long time, I'm getting to see the outside world. Was completely locked at home due to lockdown. Only the person who needs to get vaccinated are allowed inside. Was not sure if taking video was allowed, hence I didn't capture much. On the way back home, it was raining heavily in few areas. On reaching back, I got fresh and went straight to kitchen to help mom. The biryani was ready. As my father-in-law doesn't eat chicken, mom prepared egg masala for him. Now let me show you a quick pickle mom was preparing with lemon peels. After squeezing out the juice from the lemon, mom stored the peels in salt and vinegar. Now we can eat as such after a few days, but with these you can also prepare a quick pickle. This had been storing for almost 4-5 months. Add that to a cooking pot, preferably clay pot. This is roasted mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Add that. That's red chili powder. Here mom added both Kashmiri red chili powder and the normal one. You may use both or any one. Give a mix and switch on the flame to medium heat. Add turmeric powder and mix again. Keep that covered. Now this will take some time to cook. Make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom and the flame is low. The last few ingredients that you need to add to the pickle is hing or asafoetida, some salt and a bit of sugar for a balance. Mix well for a couple of minutes and that's done. Store the pickle in a glass jar and I'll be covering it with the lid once it's completely cooled down. After a good lunch, we all were taking rest somewhere in their nap. As soon as my in-laws left back home, I came to my parents' house. It's been so long since I came here and I'm still here, having some good time with them. In my Instagram, I had put few stories on my mom's garden and her plants. It's very relaxing to get out in the morning and take a walk seeing the plants and the greenery. Mom has few varieties in her collection. The money plant I have with me is from my mom. I haven't taken any other plants, but I will take this time with me for my garden. Many of you seeing the stories had asked about the bottles that are placed in each pot. These are self-watering bottles kept. I'll show you how my mom does it. All you need is an empty plastic bottle. Fill water in it. Poke a tiny hole with a safety pin or a needle. Now you will have to poke one more hole, and here it's poked on top. Only then the water will come from the below hole. Water should be coming from just one hole. This actually helps in making the soil wet or moist. Now place this in a pot. The water from the bottle will be coming in a very little amount that you don't have to bother watering them every day. It will keep the soil moist all the time. Mom had another self-watering item which even I have, and I have shown it in a vlog. I shall give the link to this product below. This also helps in self-watering, but in case you don't have, you can use the plastic bottles as such like shown. There are lovebirds at home, 4 of them. Few days back, Mom had arranged a bird bath for them and they were enjoying. So I asked to repeat so that I could take a video of it. All you need is to add some grass in a plate. Pour some water and leave it next to the birds. They will take a bath. But unfortunately, this time they had no interest in bathing. If you have any suggestions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section. This was a clip that had been taken a couple of days back. And seeing this, I had insisted on doing it again, but I was unlucky to see it live. We find reasons to celebrate, and it was my brother's birthday. A reason to buy cake and order food from outside, and we had some fun time that day. So that's all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Stay safe everyone. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.